Hello viewers, Flipkart Gold Sale is running on. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that case I can see that in Flipkart the price is 32,199 rupees and you will get discounts of 5,000 with Axis Bank credit card. So the effective price will be 27,000 rupees. So many people are asking me whether they should buy Tab S9 AP Plus at 27,000 or they should wait for Big Billion Days sale. I think the price in Big Billion Days sale will definitely decrease and you can get this tablet at around 22 to 23,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in this case there is an offer, you will get Stylo 2.0 along with Pad 2 and the final price for OnePlus Pad 2 will be 36,000 rupees along with the Stylo pen. So I think this is a decent pricing for this product right now. But if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, the price will definitely come down, but I am not sure whether OnePlus will offer Stylo pen 2.0 at that time or not. So if you want to have the writing experience with the OnePlus Pad and Stylo 2.0, in that case you can definitely buy this right now. Many people actually want to know the best tablet under the price bracket of 15,000 rupees. Look, there are many tablets that you can actually buy under the price bracket of 15,000 rupees, but I have mentioned 3 tablets that you can buy right now. The first tablet is Redmi Pad 2. The second tablet that you can buy is OnePlus Pad Go, and the third tablet is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Actually, Oppo has launched a new tablet in the name of Oppo Pad SE, but I cannot say anything about this tablet because it is a newly launched device. Now many people actually want to buy Motorola Pad 60 Pro, but I will not recommend you to buy this tablet right now. Rather, you should wait for Big Billion Days sale or Independence Day sale. Maybe the price come down and then you can buy this tablet. Price of iPad Air M3 is around 60,000 rupees and you will get discounts of 2,250 rupees. So the effective price will be 57,650 rupees. So I think this is a higher price tag. You should wait till Big Billion Days sale to get this product under 50,000 rupees. Many people actually want to buy Xiaomi Pad 7. Currently, the price of Xiaomi Pad 7 128GB is around 26,000 rupees and after discount you can buy this around 22,799 rupees. I think it is a decent pricing. The price of this tablet will definitely decrease in next sale, maybe Independence Day sale or Big Billion Days sale. So if you can wait, you should wait. Otherwise, you can also buy this right now. The next tablet in the list is Lenovo Tab Plus 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It is selling at a price point of 16,000 rupees and after discount you can get this around 15,500 rupees. So I think the price is not less. So you should rather wait or you should skip this tablet right now. If you are planning to buy MI Pad 6 256GB variant, in that case the current pricing is showing 20,000 rupees and you will get minimum discounts of 443 rupees. So the effective price will be 19,500 rupees and I don't think it is a good buy because it is an old tablet. You will not get regular software updates. However, the hardware of this tablet is very good. So if you don't want to update to the latest version, in that case you can buy this for hardware proposition. Otherwise, you should look for another tablet with latest software updates. iPad 11th generation is not available in Flipkart, but in Amazon you can buy this tablet right now and the price is showing 33,000 rupees. Plus there is no option of cashback or discount. So you should not buy this right now. You should wait for another sale. When the price will come down below 28,000, you can buy and that will be a value for money product for your purchase. So these are some of the tablets that you can buy or you cannot buy. If you have any questions regarding any tablet, you have to like the video and then ask the question. I will answer that questions in my comment section. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.